everyone, it's What's Cooking, and yesterday was so fun. We ended up doing Instagram Live with Jay Rodriguez, Emmy Award-winning actor, comedian, singer from Queer Eye for a Straight Guy, and also the Broadway hit Rent. And I'm going to upload it soon, and it'll be on Facebook as well. But it is actually on Instagram in my story, and you can see it. He was phenomenal. He was so good. So there's lots going on today. I failed last week at something, and I was determined I was going to do it today. So those keto crackers that Sweet Thoughts Sandra made were so delicious, and hers were so perfect, and I tried it, and it was a big fat flop. So she told me to work with the dough more. So it's 1 egg, salt, pepper, 1 3/4 cups of almond flour, and to that I added cayenne pepper, I added a lot of Tabasco sauce, and a whole bunch of Gruyere cheese and cheddar cheese. And I don't know if you can see this, but it came out really, really good, and you use a pizza cutter. So tomorrow we're going to do our wine tasting tour, and we're doing it of the urban wineries. So we're going to be featuring Cheval because they are urban. We also are featuring BK Cellars and the Forgotten Barrel. And there's one more, and hopefully Philip is listening and he can tell me because I can't remember. Caruth, absolutely. So I thought these keto crackers would be really good to have with our wine tour tomorrow at 4:30. So we're going to be doing that. And then I also want to give a shout out today. We met our coworkers, Robin and John, at a property, and we all had our mask on and our booties and our gloves. And we were in Encinitas because Truly Scrumptious, the amazing cake decorator, I think she won awards for her cake decorating, Monica Stout, has Quarantina. And Quarantina is actually a sourdough starter. So we dropped some off for our friend Jerry, we dropped some off for our friend Judy, and we dropped some off for our friend Steve and his mother-in-law Cindy. So, Cynthia, sorry. So because we were close by and we were near Encinitas, we stopped at Taste of Time, who are still doing curbside delivery, and literally the, I think it was the president of Thailand sent Chef K to Brazil for a month as the top chef from Thailand. And she's in Encinitas, and it's called Taste of Time. And we have some delicious sauteed vegetables. And in here is Panang Curry. Oh my God, I could drink it. It is so delicious. So I had cooked today. I actually made a pork paprikash in the crock pot. And with that, it's short ribs. I put French onion soup dry mix in, a cup of water, a can of cream of celery mushroom soup, and a ton of paprika. And to that, some sour cream and cream cheese, and I just cooked it all day. So we took some of that over to our neighbor Jan, but we're not gonna have that today. We're putting it in the fridge because we have this delicious Thai food supporting our local restaurants and chefs and businesses. So we're gonna have that, and then Costco delivery, we're gonna have fresh pears, avocado, and burrata. I'm obsessed by that salad. It's so good. And you put pepper and then drizzle some balsamic vinegar. It's really refreshing and good. And I tried my hand at muddling. So I have pear in here, and I muddled pear and crushed red pepper, or I'm sorry, jalapeno pepper. And this is going to be part of my Fun Friday cocktail. So I have my glass right here that Lori Thiel got for me. I love this glass. And that's pear and soda, like Pellegrino. Oh my gosh, is it good. 96 degrees today in Escondido. So we've got these crackers that we're making. We're having Thai food. The crackers are for tomorrow. Oh my goodness, I cleaned the refrigerator today. Whew. I'm exhausted. That was a trip. Just organizing everything and making sure everything was, in its place, and just cleaned all the shelves and everything out. It's a fun thing to do, but not fun. It's rewarding to do. It's definitely not fun. But don't forget to support our local businesses. In doing so, today, this came in the mail. So years ago, I had the pleasure of doing some PR and marketing work for Gordana Gelhausen. I call her Goga, and she used to have a boutique down in the Gas Lamp on 4th Avenue. And she was on Project Runway, amazing. She's from my neck of the woods, you know, as far as our heritage goes, and she and I connected. In fact, that's how we met. Jay Rodriguez was at the Emmy Gifting Suites many, many moons ago, and we all became friends. So I had Goga fashion up this couture. You gotta check this mask out. I mean, she's making crazy, amazing ones. Mine has like a little flower and some little beads and stuff on it. Isn't that beautiful? And it even has her name in there. So it has her little label. So I have that for special events. And today, it was so funny. We went to see this property and we all had our mask on, and then outside, there was this little puppy Labrador. His name's Dutch. And he got in the pool at the house, and I got down and I took my mask off and I put it on my water bottle because I was gonna take his video of him, and nobody was near me. It was just the dog. He tore out of that pool and came charging after my water bottle, but more importantly, he got my face mask. So my face mask that I had made from Jasmine at Bellage in Mission Hills is now in the washing machine because we did rescue it. We were able to save it, but unfortunately, I was unable to get out of the car anywhere else because I only had one mask with me. So note to self, bring more than one mask. Today was my first official day with gloves, booties, and mask going anywhere. And being able to see coworkers, Robin and John, I mean, it was so awesome to see them, but it was really sad because we couldn't even like hug each other. It's so weird, right? So weird. So Thai food, Panang Curry, and it's spicy. It's got a lot of coconut milk in it, bok choy, beautiful green fresh beans and sweet peas, and broccoli are in here. See if I can show you. Oh, see, we already ate some of it. It was so good. And then the pear and burrata and avocado salad, pear martinis, and tomorrow we're doing the keto cheddar. I'm gonna bake them tonight. But I have to say, guys, let me see if I can do this. Oh, it's gonna fall apart, shoot. Oh, I know what I do. I just take this onto the, hang on one second, I know what to do. Do this. So it just goes right on the baking sheet, voila. See? They look pretty good this time. The last time they were a hot mess, but they tasted good. And I found a rolling pin. Sandra will be quite pleased. I don't know where it was, but I finally found it. I borrowed my neighbor's the other day, but I found this one. And then Valerie from Chateau Bellage, tomorrow is Kimono Saturday. So I'm down to only 2 left, and they're not as summery as I need. I wish I had a bright, cheerful one because it's gonna be really hot tomorrow. So again, 4:30 tomorrow is our Urban Winery wine tasting tour. So please feel free to join us. I know for sure you can go to the Forgotten Barrel tomorrow starting at noon and do curbside pickup. I believe that Caruth is doing curbside pickup. BK Cellars, you can get curbside pickup, and Cheval even delivers. So there's so many choices. You guys can definitely join in. And Saturday morning on Instagram Live, I think at 9 a.m. California time, we're gonna have Roberto Espinosa and I cooking in the kitchen making this Spanish frito brunch thing. It's 6 o'clock their time in Spain, and we're gonna chit chat on Instagram Live. So anyway, have a great night. I'm gonna go join Philip Fredrickson out in the backyard with Mackenzie and the chickens, little chickie chews. We delivered some eggs to our neighbor as well because there were a lot of eggs. Those girls are prolific. So anyway, have a great night, and remember, everyone support our local businesses, stay physically distant while staying socially connected virtually, and you know, things are getting rough around here, guys. I mean, we're at, I don't even know how many weeks, months, days, years. It's 975 day of the month of April. People and the weather is really good. People are getting anxiety and anxious. So really touch base with people. Make sure everyone's okay. Robert Bell, I wish that you could come over and hang out with us. I see Philip Fredrickson is watching. But anyway, Robert, if you need food, I'm a good cook, and I will put together a meal for you to pick up. So if you're in the area, let me know. All right, see you everybody. Have a good Friday.